Hi everyone, this is Ms. N with 10 Oaks. I just wanted to hop on to show you guys how to log into eBooks. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your TransMath website, and you're going to see this icon right here that says eBooks. Once you click on the eBooks icon, and it might jog around here, you just need to look for the one that says eBooks. You're going to log into your eBooks, and this is what it's going to look like. You might see something that looks like double pages like this. All you need to do is just click on this icon down at the bottom where it says single page view, and you'll be able to see the single pages. If your teacher gives you an assignment and you don't know where to find it, they most likely will give you the unit and the lesson number. So you can find that over here on the icon with the bullets and the lines. It'll give you the table of contents, and all you have to do is just click on the table of contents right here and click on what you need to see. I can click on this icon again to make that table of contents disappear. Once you are on the assignment, you can actually go through these little boxes and you can actually click through the answers. So I'm going to show you one on how to do it on here as well. Okay, so I'm going to go through, I'm going to multiply, and I'm going to answer all my questions. Okay, and once I answer all my questions, all I have to do, make sure I'm on that page, I'm going to go to this cloud button with the arrow up here, and I'm going to click submit. Once I submit it, my teacher can see it on my end, and that's all I have to do on my eBooks. I'm so excited about this because it's going to make it easier for you, and you won't get frustrated with the boxes, and it's going to be so easy to submit.